Every entity in the universe evolves, and the wheel stands as a timeless symbol of progress. Its invention sparked a wave of growth and innovation, accelerating movement and transforming civilizations beyond moving people and goods. The wheel reflects the cyclical nature of time and the ever-evolving universe. Its simple circular form embodies the continuous journey of advancement and reminds us of the interconnectedness driving humanity forward. India's legacy of invention spans centuries, from Aryabhata's mathematical brilliance to C.V. Raman's breakthroughs in physics and the advanced urban planning of the Indus Valley, all paved the way for modern civilization. India has evolved from a technology hub to a global force in digital transformation, driving breakthrough innovations that shape the future. From the software revolution of the 90s to today's leadership in artificial intelligence, India is consistently pushing the boundaries of what is possible. India's digital journey is built on a foundation of inclusivity and accessibility. Initiatives like Aadhaar provide unique identities to over 1 billion citizens, enabling seamless access to services, just as GS1 delivers unique identities to products and locations. With tools like the Unified Payments Interface, we are creating a secure, efficient, and future-ready digital ecosystem. The rise of Q-commerce is setting new standards for efficiency and trust. Growing technology is redefining customer expectations, and India is responding with innovations like IoT-powered logistics, smart warehouse, and predictive analytics, delivering goods in minutes with just a few clicks in retail, healthcare, agriculture, and beyond. India's design thinking mindset is creating human-centered solutions that bridge physical and digital worlds. Digital twin technology is transforming healthcare by creating virtual patient replicas. Combining AI and data, it delivers personalized, precise, and preventive care, setting new benchmarks for better health outcomes. Sustainability drives our transformation. Supply chains are going green. Electric vehicles, drones, and renewable energy are shaping eco-friendly logistics. Together, we are building a cleaner, greener future. As we stand at the crossroads of transformation, the GS1 community must embrace a collective vision to adapt, innovate, and lead. In these dynamic times, the wheel becomes more than a symbol of progress. It evolves into the wheel of change. Every spoke of this wheel is a vital contributor to the momentum of growth mindset. Welcome to the GS1 General Assembly 2025, Building Bridges for a Better Tomorrow. GS1 India is deeply honored to host this extraordinary gathering of visionaries, a platform to exchange ideas and ignite inspiration.